in my hands. It felt like glue, but it wasn't glue. It was slime, cause I could read on the box. It is so fine. Glue is happy, and glue is sad. Glue can open, and glue can close. I speak Spanish and English too. I like them both. How about you? Oh, it's gooey and it's slimy. I like it too. You like it too. So, come to a goo. When you get home, if you see it's city, oh, it will be so good, cause it is ugly. So, pick up a little glue and mix it with, I don't know how to make it, but I just got this from a garage sale that my mom said she would let me buy it cause she is so nice. Oh, she is so nice.